In 1974, Helsinki received its first operating microscope after a year's delay deemed too costly. Surgeons used it boldly, straight in the OR, no lab training. But when aneurysms ruptured, many abandoned the scope, trusting their naked eyes instead. This was the fragile dawn of micro-neurosurgery, courage, doubt, and the birth of a new era.
When rupture hits, I drop the microscope.
Without it, you're blind in blood and chaos.
Macrosurgery liberates time. Swift hands grant seconds to save lives. Microscope demands discipline. Seconds can't ever replace real precision here.
I choose life, never elegance, because fear tastes like metal. To clarity under the lens, shadows dissolving to light.
In surgery, every new idea is born in conflict between habit and vision, fear and courage. Progress demands respect for tradition, yet strength to abandon its comfort. True mastery lies not in clinging to the past, nor blindly rushing into the future, but in carrying both wisdom and innovation into the operating room.